Kei Ngā Uri is a waiata written by Tuakoi Ohia, also known as Mihi Girl or Missy to all of our friends. Ngāti Hine, Ngai Te Rangi, Ngāti Rangi Nui, Ngāti Pūkenga, Te Atiawa, Te Aroa, Tainui Waka, Ngai Pākehā. This waiata was composed in 2016 and performed at Te Huinga Tawira ki Pōneke that same year. In short, it was written with the intent to uplift and remind our Taiōhi Māori exactly who they are, he uri o ngā tipuna, o ngā atua, and basically just coming together as a whānau to make things happen and get things done. It's a waiata that holds a lot of mana for us, especially those who stood in 2016. So to be able to see it come through with our younger generation just makes it that much more special and serves its purpose as a waiata. The thing that I love most about Trim, personally, and I think people can agree as well, is that it gave me a kainga-rua. It gave me a safe space to be able to, experience my highs and lows throughout university. But more importantly, it gave me my big whānau that I have today. All of my lifelong friends, my close friends, some of my aunties, uncles, nannies and koro I've met through Trim. So I pretty much have the whare to thank for blessing me with my big whānau and my tūtohu that I now have. So big love, Trim.